Holy stunt. Someone just cracked the ethanol purity code at 99.5%. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Limited has reached a pivotal milestone, achieving ethanol purity exceeding 99.5% at its pilot plant located in the Nagasaki District Research Innovation Center. The proprietary MMDS system uses a cutting-edge molecular sieve separation method, replacing traditional dehydration techniques, thus reducing energy consumption by more than 30%. This breakthrough not only cuts operational costs but also enables a more compact equipment design by performing dehydration in the liquid phase. This innovation supports the production of high-efficiency, hydrogen-free, plant-based bioethanol, a cleaner alternative to gasoline and a key raw material for sustainable aviation fuel. Following successful pilot tests, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries is accelerating the development of a demonstration plant for early commercialization, reaffirming its commitment to advancing decarbonization technologies.